Good morning everyone. My name is Pushpalata. I am going to explain the types of void agreement. The void agreements are not enforceable by law because they lack of legal validity. These arise under different situations as specified in the Indian Contract Acts 1872. The types of void agreements are: first one is to protect public interest. For example, the law of contract principles ensures that the agreements made do not harm a public at large, contract against public policy, or declare void suffered on public goods. For example, a contract to sell government secure to a foreign country is valid because it harms national security and public interest. Next, another one is to prevent exploration. The prevent exploration is a contract made under the unfair terms, especially where one party is in vulnerable position or not upheld. This project individuals from beginning taken advantage of. For example, a money lender charging 200% interest to proof farmer through a loan agreement is an unconsiderable contract and may be declared void by the court. This is called as prevent exploration. Next one is top uphold morality. For example, the contract promotions immoral acts like proportions, purity, and activities are not enforceable in law. A contract where A agrees to pay B money for communicating with C is sponsors to void, as it is violates moral standards or unupload morality. Next one is ensure legality. Only those agreements which are legal in nature can be enforced. Illegal agreements, for example, involving crime or smuggling are void. For example, a contract for smuggling goods or selling banned drugs is illegal and void. Next one is maintaining fairness. The contracts must be fair and equitable. Contracts may be refused to enforce agreements that give one party an undue advantages or any made under drugs and influence. For example, an elderly person forced a sign over parties to a caretaker under the pressures may leads to a voidable contract due to undue influence. These are the points in maintain fairness. Next one is the prevent uncertainty. The prevent uncertainty is a valid contract must have clear terms. If the terms are vague, our courts cannot enforce them. For example, if A agrees to sell B a reasonable quantity of mangoes at a fair price without specific terms, this is to vague, and hence to agreement is void due to uncertainty. This is the prevent uncertainty. Next one is to follow statutory requirements. The certain contracts are required to be in writing, registered or stamped as per law. Failure to comply renders them void or unenforceable. For example, a contract to transfer immovable property without registered documents is void, as it violates the Transfer of Property Act and Registration Act. These are the points are included in the types of agreements. Thank you for this opportunity. We will see the next session. Thank you.